Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share you a cute little Valentine's Day gift idea for the classroom. This year is a little different. The children are not able to bring any kind of treats, candy, cupcakes, cookies, anything to the classroom this year. So I wanted to do this project that I'm going to show you using these little treat sacks with the little hearts on them, the burlap. They're from the Dollar Tree. And these little table scatters. I have red ones and I have pink ones. And I'm going to do a little tic-tac-toe game for the kids. So I hope that they enjoy. I also have Valentine's Day cards to go with them. But they look forward to that candy and chocolate and treats. So I'm hoping that this will brighten their day, and I hope that it helps you to find something for your children to bring in also. Very easy. So let's get right to it.
Okay, so here we are. I got the 3-pack treat sacks at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3. I grabbed 4 of them. I grabbed 3 of them and needed 4 of them. There's my plastic hearts. I got red ones and pink ones. They're like table decorations. But I had to go to 4 different Dollar Trees in order to find that last pack that I needed or thought I needed. So if you want to do this project, I suggest you get to the Dollar Tree or even call around before you go all over the city trying to find these treat bags. I even called ahead and they told me that they had them, and when I got there they didn't, so that was fun. But in the end I found a few. I grabbed some extras just in case, and now I have extras, but I'm okay with that. I was thinking about making some for the teachers, and I'm going to make them a card using my Cricut instead. So in this, I used vinyl. I used my Design Space to get the tic-tac-toe board off of Google. But you do not need to do any of that. You can just get some paint markers and draw the lines yourself. And if you have really good handwriting, then you can write with paint pens. Here's my mini press that I used on the vinyl. I suggest maybe 20 seconds at the most so that you don't melt the vinyl. My pieces were really thin. My lines were really thin. And I had already cut out all that I needed before I checked the first one, which I probably should have done first. Always check. But they still came out really cute. I have an old friend of mine that did hearts on hers. That was really cute. But I already had these cut out, so I was like, I'm going to use them. But don't have it pressed on for too long. And then on the plastics, lovely notification on my laptop. So the plastic hearts, I put the vinyl at X's and O's. The O's are on the pink hearts and the X's went on the red hearts. You can use Dollar Tree stickers for this as well. You do not need to use your Cricut for the letters. My daughter's in pre-K, so it's a cute little idea. Along with the Valentine's Day cards that I grabbed, we're going to put them inside of these for the kids because it just stinks that they can't have any treats or candy this year. I let my son know and he was kind of sad, so I guess we have to go to the store and get some extras for them. But yeah, this year is just crazy. So nice and easy. You do not need to use vinyl. You can just use paint pens. And here is another example of how I did this cute little project using my Cricut press.
So there you have it, nice and easy. If you don't have a Cricut machine or Cricut Design Space, you can use the paint markers. It's very inexpensive. I have 12 kids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is $4 for that. And then I think I used about maybe 3 or 4 of these as well, so under $10. And you can get the Valentine's Day cards at the Dollar Tree as well. I got my daughter Disney Princess ones, and I got my son Star Wars. So nice and easy. Like I said, paint markers. If you don't have that Cricut anything, you don't need it. But they're so cute. Look at it. Nice. Cute. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the support. It's very, very appreciated. And that's it. So happy Valentine's Day. I know we've got a few more weeks and I've got a few more projects up my sleeve. So thank you so much again. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. And that's it. So I look forward to any comments you have, and I will see you next time. Bye.